My God, Twin of Twins representing for Bless, and I must say and reiterate that Bless is the baddest thing alive. Quite so.
Rastafari meaning it's coming from my heart, my people. Mankind, you make me shame of the things that you have done. Your violence and your crime leave the whole world in shame. You don't know what life is worth, killing off the boys and the girls, saying that you run the place, but you're only up in this space. But Joe will, Jaja giving you a beating, oh beating. Jaja giving
Again. So today we have a Peugeot, whatever them call it, Boxer. We're gonna do the full service and this one. Let's do it. So today we're gonna do oil filter, fuel filter, air filter. So first, what we are gonna do, we are gonna drain the oil first and then move on to the next. So now the oil is draining. We're gonna remove the filter after, and then we do the air filter. So now we're gonna remove the oil filter. So now we're gonna put in the new oil filter straight away. Talk.
Now we are topping up the oil. So that's the
But now we're just gonna put 5 liter and then we'll put the rest later.
okay. So that's the 5 liter in.
And this is the brown oil we're using today. 0.30.
Right. I think
So this vehicle use 6.2 liter. So we put in 6. If anything, we have to go look fuel later on. Alright,
that's the air filter.
yeah.
We're gonna remove it and replace it with the new one. Okay.
Filter cover is off. So now we're gonna get out the filter. And here's the filter, a massive filter.
Looks new, doesn't it?
Okay.
So what do you want to do this one with?
Pause it. Where is it?
Now we want to change the fuel filter. You see where it is?
And that is the fuel filter housing. So we need to remove it and put in the new one.
Oh.
So now we're gonna start the
Are you not going to take
vehicle.
the jack?
No, let the jack stay.
Okay.
And make sure everything is fantastic. Let's start it.
What do
You have the keys. Okay.
So the vehicle is running, sound good and everything.
Got to go,